Hello, today I'm going to talk about my abilities and weaknesses. I can use AutoCAD very well, but I can't print the design yet. I can cook nothing dishes like duck and goat. I can play pool. I can ride a motorcycle very well. I can also work from home, but I can't travel for work, and I can't speak English very well, but I'd like to master it very well on a day. Thank you.